this is Tanya. Welcome to Tanya Tina's Maths. I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths, and this is my sister Tina Lopez. I teach 8th Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 6, Triangles, Exercise 6.3, 13th question. Alright, now let's read the question. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB dot CD. Okay, so this is the question. Now we are supposed to draw the triangle. Okay, so according to the question we are supposed to draw a triangle ABC. Okay, so now let us draw a triangle ABC. So here we have a triangle. Okay, so here we have a triangle, so let us name it as A B C. Okay, so here, so since you guys know this is a triangle ABC, so in this triangle ABC, you know, D is a point on the side BC. So where is BC? So BC is here. So it's your wish, so wherever you want to keep a point, you can just keep it. Okay, so I'll keep it here. Okay, if you want to keep it here, you can keep it. So I'm just keeping it here. Okay, so now let me just join this point. So for that, let us draw a line. Okay, so now since you guys know we drew a line, so here they mentioned that D is a point, so let us name this as D. Okay, alright guys, so now what do you guys think? This is a kind of like a median, am I right? So median means it's dividing into two equal parts, am I right? So here, since you guys know if it is a median, then BD is equal to DC. Of course you guys know BD is equal to DC. And one more thing you guys know, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle as well. Why? Because we have a median right over here. It is dividing the whole triangle into two equal parts. Okay, alright guys, so now what are we supposed to show? So we are supposed to show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. How can we show this? Why? Because till 12th question now we just faced a problem in which we are supposed to prove it is similar, am I right? But here we have something different. Don't worry guys. So here we have CA square, am I right? So instead of writing CA square, if you write CA into CA, it will be perfect, am I right? CA square means CA into CA. And here we have dot, right? Dot is nothing but into. Okay, so CB into CD. Okay, so here let me just get this CB to this side. Okay, so if I get the CB to this side, then it changes into division. Okay, so now here it is CD. Okay, so now I have here one CA right over here, am I right? So if I get the CA to this side, then it changes into division, am I right? So if I write CA by CB is equal to, I am getting the CA to this side. When it comes to this side, it changes into division. Alright, so now we got a value. Okay, this is how we are supposed to split up the values. Okay, now we got a value CA by CB. So CA by CB is equal to CD by CA. Okay, I hope you guys understood that. Again, I'll show that if it is not clear. So CA by CB and CD by CA. Okay, so since these values are lying on triangle ADC, so in triangle ADC we have CA of course and we have CD, am I right? And then in triangle ABC, okay, so in triangle ABC we have CB and CA, am I right? So here we have CA by CB. So CA is here and CB is here. It is lying on triangle ABC. and CD and CA, they both are lying on triangle ADC. So now let us take in triangle. Okay guys, so I'm going to be taking in triangle. So in triangle, so since you guys know, so let me show them. So since you guys know, CA and CB, they are lying on triangle ABC, and CD and CA, they are lying on triangle ADC. Okay, so now let us take in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Okay, we are just taking these two triangles. Okay, one more guys, I would like to say that so we are just taking two triangles, right? When we'll prove it, now we are proving it similar, am I right? So when we are proving something is similar, no, at the end we are supposed to write this triangle is similar to this another one triangle. We used to write that, right? So we are supposed to write it in the proper manner. Okay, that means we'll write few values and we'll write the things and all. So now let us write that, then you'll understand. Okay, so according to the question, since you guys know angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, so it is mentioned in the question. So if you want to see, you can see it. Take a look here. So here angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Am I right? It is already mentioned in the question. We can actually use it. Am I right? Why? Because it is already given in the question. So the middle one is D here, and here it is A. Am I right? So the middle value is A, and here it is D. So that means this angle A is there now. So this angle A is equal to angle D. That they are just mentioning that. Okay, it is already given in the question, so no need to explain the detail. Am I right? So we can just write this as it is. So I can write angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. What is the reason? It is already given in the question. Okay. Okay guys, so since it is given in the question, we wrote it. And then when you look at the question, triangles, no, that is triangle ABC and ADC. So do you guys think C is repeating in both the triangles? I mean in both the triangles, no, C is common, right? So I can write angle C is equal to angle C. Why? Because they both are coming on a same, both the triangles. So that angle C is common in both the triangles. That's why I wrote angle C is equal to angle C. Then I can write common. Okay. So you're supposed to look at common also. Okay, so in these two triangles I'm getting C, angle C, am I right? That's why I just wrote angle C is equal to angle C. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is, so here it is triangle ABC, which is similar to which triangle? So I'm supposed to write a triangle. Am I supposed to write ADC? No guys, I'm not supposed to write ADC. Why? Because most of the guys, now they used to think that we are supposed to write ADC. Why? Because we took that triangle. You are absolutely wrong. Okay, so what I'm supposed to write is, so since here it is ABC, so here the first angle is A. Am I right? So the first one is A right over here. So since you guys know, we had already written that here ADC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So here the middle one is D and here the middle one is A. So so what they are just representing is angle D is equal to angle A. Okay, so that's why here it is middle value is D and here it is A. Am I right? That means, so here if I take triangle ABC, then I am supposed to write triangle D and I am supposed to write two more words. Am I right? Two more letters. So why did I write D at first? Why? Because already I told you guys here angle D is equal to angle A. Am I right? So if you look at the middle value, angle D is equal to angle A. That's why I just wrote the middle value at first. Why? Because we are supposed to show that angle A is equal to angle D. Am I right? Now next one we have B. Okay, so next value we have here it is B. So we didn't just come across with the letter B. Am I right? So here if you just look at, we have C, we don't have anything else. So if you just leave a space right over here. Okay, so let me just put a dash. Why? Because we are supposed to write a letter here. Okay, and then here if you just look at it, we have a triangle ABC. So here the last letter is C. Okay, so here when we just while proving it, here I wrote angle C is equal to angle C. Why? Because it was common. Then I can write C right over here. Am I right? So now what is the missing value? So here it is B. So A, B, C. Then what is the missing value right over here? Here the missing value is A. How can I say it is A? Well, because we just took two triangles, am I right? So in those two triangles, we have triangle ABC. Okay, ABC. We are supposed to check whether we have all those letters or not. Okay, so we have ABC. Okay, so ADC. So here we have DAC. Okay, so here we have all the letters. Am I right? So we are supposed to check whether we have all the letters or not. Okay, so please guys, don't commit this mistake again. If you just commit a mistake, then the sum is wrong. Okay, so here angle A is equal to angle D, and then angle B is equal to angle A. Okay, so angle C is equal to angle C. It is correct. Okay, it is perfect when we just compare it right over here. So according to this one, according to these values only, I just wrote it. Am I right? Why? Because according to these values, angle D should be equal to angle A. Likewise, so here angle A is equal to angle D. Both are same only. And then angle C is equal to angle C. So angle C is equal to angle C. Okay. So now which criterion? By AA. Okay, so please guys, never commit this mistake. Okay, so most probably you used to commit mistake in while proving it is similar. Okay, so please don't commit it. Alright guys, so now let us come back to the question. According to the question, so CA, if you write CA or AC, nothing is going to happen. Okay, both are same only. Okay, so if you want to write AC, you can just write it. If you want to write CA, you can write it. Or because according to the question they mentioned CA, that's why I just wrote it like that. Okay, so CA by CD is equal to then CB. So yeah, CB by AC. AC and CA both are same only. Okay, so now let us do cross multiply. Am I right? So we can do cross multiply. Okay, so when we just do cross multiply, then it is, so I'll write it here, then it is CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. Okay, so I hope you guys understood this. So this is the question. So CA into CA is, one second, yeah, CA into CA is CA square is equal to CB. So into, so we can just if you write point right over here, the point means into. Okay, don't worry. Okay, if you just into also no problem, if you write point also no problem. Okay, so this is here what we are supposed to prove. Am I right? So let us check it out whether we are supposed to prove this or not. Okay guys, so according to the question, we are supposed to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. So CA square is equal to CB into CD. This is what we are supposed to prove. Finally we proved it. Am I right? So finally we proved it. So now I hope you guys understood how did I do it. Am I right? So since it was the square form, now you guys might wondered that it will be difficult to solve. So when we just expand it, it was easy. Am I right? So please guys, when you just look at the question, don't get tensed. So you're supposed to extend if you get values like this. Okay, so please do that, then only you will be able to prove it is similar. Okay, so please guys, never commit mistake right over here. If you just commit a mistake, then your whole sum will be wrong. If you do these things correct, and if at the last if you write the answer as wrong, that means while proving it is similarity, proving it is similarity, that time if you write it wrong, then they won't even give a mark. Okay, so be careful right over here. Okay, alright guys, so now finally we solved this 13th question. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.